Hey guys, I am gonna work on doing a little something today. You see all my wood pile that we've been working on. This here, there's a tree that I had cut a while ago back in there. I'm gonna try to get that out because I think Friday or sometime this week someone's gonna come by and chip everything up right here, clear this out a little bit. So I'm gonna try to get that tree out, maybe clean up this a little bit. So I'm gonna bring you along with me. Guys, what I'm going to do right now is just kind of try to get these guys out of the way. I know I'm not going to put them there. I won't be able to do much with them. They're just way too heavy for the old man. But I need to make room to get in there, in through there. So, oh, look at that, guys. Look at all those freaking flying ants. What? I'm not touching that one. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. We'll leave that alone. Get all them things all over me, then the day will be over. With all that stuff, all them things crawling all over me. Yep. Yeah. So let's just do this. Let's see if we can get in here without hurting myself. Stump is in here somewhere. Just want to make sure we don't run over the stump. I got an idea though. I got an idea, guys. I'm not going to touch any of that crap. But what I can do, I'm talking about. Bring everything down. I'm going to push them over, but I don't want to lose this either. So what we'll do is mount. We'll do that. My day might be cut short today. I get near them, guys. There's the stump, but I also found I think a piece of wood. Yep. if we can't connect. This just tells me that I'm gonna get hurt today, you guys. Oh boy, oh boy. But we'll make it. We'll make today work. We'll make today work. Oh boy. Okay, well, let's do it this way. Ouch. Yeah, gotta do it the hard way, I guess. Yeah, not very good quarters to be working in, but I want to get these trees out of here. You know what I mean? Get that other one, maybe get both of them out at the same time. I've got to try to get them over there, but I want to just, you know what I'm going to do first of all, which I should have done anyway, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse here. Well, there we go. All right, so I gotta get a little bit of this cleaned up if I can. So what I'll do here now, I guess, let me see what I can do here. I don't know if I can do anything, but got a little bit of dirt on that one. Alright guys, not bad. I got a little something going on here. I don't normally really do this kind of work with the tractor. I let the owner do it. But I don't think I'm doing too bad, guys. I think I'm doing pretty good. Whoop, don't want to touch the log. Oh well. Yeah, got a little dirt on that one, guys. Just didn't mean it. Whatever. Well, I'm trying to make just a little bit of room Try to do back up. Go forward right here. And then I can just push and maneuver where I need it. I got kind of what I wanted to do here. I decided not to drag out any more trees, guys. So what I'm going to do is split up some of this wood here, okay? So we're going to split some wood together. There's going to be some pretty big ones here that we got to split. I just spilt gas all over my damn foot. I hope nothing happens. Get a spark somewhere. Guess what? Oh, Steve-O's gonna catch on fire. Won't that be funny? Jeez. Sure. Watch Steve-O catch fire. That is correct. Split a little bit of wood today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tractor business I was doing. Wasn't all that great, but that's the first time I've done that with the tractor, so I hope you enjoyed it. Pushing a little bit of wood and all that, and dragging some trees out, and splitting a little bit more wood. I hope you enjoyed it today. Thank you for subscribing, and I enjoy bringing these out to you guys. If you enjoy looking at them, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.